As we age, it's common to experience stiffness, aches, and even cramps in our legs and feet. While some chalk this up to just getting older, there's actually a powerful natural way to support healthier legs and feet that doesn't involve expensive treatments or a cabinet full of pain relievers. The secret? Vitamin D, the miracle vitamin your legs and feet have been waiting for. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is crucial for maintaining strong muscles and bones. As we age, our body's ability to produce and absorb vitamin D decreases, which can lead to deficiencies that contribute to muscle weakness, joint pain, and even fracture. This is particularly significant for people over 50, as they're at a higher risk of both vitamin D deficiency and leg and foot problems. Why is vitamin D so important? It works in multiple ways to keep your legs and feet feeling strong and pain-free. Firstly, it aids in calcium absorption, which is vital for bone density and strength. Weak bones can lead to conditions like osteoporosis, increasing the risk of fractures, especially in the legs and feet. Secondly, vitamin D supports muscle function by ensuring muscles remain flexible and strong, reducing the risk of cramping and discomfort. One lesser-known benefit of vitamin D is its role in reducing inflammation. Inflammation can worsen joint pain, especially in areas like the knees, ankles, and feet, where repetitive movements and impact are common. By incorporating enough vitamin D, you can help manage inflammation and reduce the frequency and intensity of these pains. In fact, studies show that individuals with higher levels of vitamin D often report fewer issues with joint pain and muscle soreness. Now, how do you make sure you're getting enough of this miracle vitamin? Sun exposure is one way, but it can be tricky as we age, especially for those who spend more time indoors or live in areas with limited sunlight. Supplementation is an effective and safe option. Doctors often recommend a daily dose of 600-800 IU of vitamin D for adults over 50, but it's always best to consult your healthcare provider for a tailored dosage. You can also boost your intake through foods rich in vitamin D, such as fatty fish, eggs, fortified dairy products, and mushrooms. If you're feeling achy and tired of dealing with sore legs and feet, vitamin D could be the missing piece in your health routine. Consider this miracle vitamin your daily ally for better mobility, comfort, and strength. And if you enjoyed these insights, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on staying healthy and active at any age. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep getting practical, natural health tips